Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, I will be showing you how can you add your Clubcard vouchers to the Tesco app. So here's a guide to load and redeem at your checkout. Step 1. Scan paper vouchers using your phone camera. Launch the official Tesco grocery and Clubcard app on your phone. Tap the Clubcard account management section on the home page dashboard. Select the voucher style and tap the option to add or scan a physical code. Position your smartphone camera directly over the barcode printed on your paper voucher. Wait for the app to detect the string, then press confirm to save it to your digital wallet. Step 2. Manually key in the 12-digit voucher code. Open your Tesco account profile using the mobile app or official Tesco website dashboard. Navigate to the My Club Card area and open your available voucher wallet tab. Locate the 12-digit security voucher code printed on your physical receipt or paper statement page. Type the numerical string directly into the text field labeled as Enter Voucher Code. Click the Add button to permanently bind that balance to your digital account framework. Step 3. Convert extracted points into instant faster vouchers. You can just check your main profile tab to verify you have a minimum balance of 150 Club Card points. Tap the management selection labeled as Turn Your Club Card points into vouchers inside the dashboard. Then select the specific value block you want to create and press the voucher Request vouchers. Wait for a few seconds for the app to automatically generate and load the new digital voucher code into your wallet profile. Step 4. Toggle on vouchers during online checkout. Log into the Tesco mobile app and add your chosen household items to the digital shopping basket. Proceed through the operational configuration steps to reach the final review and checkout screen. Scroll past your payment cards to locate the entry link labeled as vouchers and coupons. Check the activation boxes next to your pre-loaded app vouchers to deduct the cash value from your final total. Step 5. Scan the generated digital barcode in store. Open the Tesco grocery or Clubcard app on your phone when approaching the physical storefront till. Tap on the primary Clubcard barcode icon to bring up your digital member profile card layout. Scan your main membership card on the checkout reader first to link your active store transaction. Open the individual vouchers menu tab, select your loaded voucher and scan its unique barcode screen to apply the discount. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment and also do hit the subscribe button.